Beidou Locks has established deep partnerships with several modern high-tech manufacturers. These manufacturers have been honored as China's outstanding lock manufacturer and the most competitive enterprise in China's lock industry. They have also participated in drafting national standards. By leveraging this robust supply chain, we provide solutions that combine exceptional quality with high flexibility. In addition, we offer strong custom manufacturing capabilities, specializing in OEM and ODM orders. Our design and development team consists of seasoned professionals with extensive industry experience and keen market insight. They are ready to conduct in-depth discussions with you, ensuring thorough communication before mold manufacturing begins. We look forward to your inquiries and cooperation.